In today's tutorial, I'll be installing the Litehyip investment script. I got some requests that I should do the tutorial on how to install it online. So first of all, you have to upload the zip file, of which I've done mine. Then the next thing you need to do is to extract the zip file. So I've extracted my zip file. As you can see, I've extracted the zip file. So I don't need this one anymore. So I'm just going to delete it. Then I'll double click here and make sure you copy out the folder. Now the folder you are copying should be inside your URL or the folder, the subfolder or subdomain you are using. So once you are done, you delete the other folder you are using before, like this. So now there are places most of you do mistakes. You see this .ht access is very important while studying your script. The .ht access is very important because it is the file that grants access for you to do anything on the script. So make sure it's visible. So there are sometimes you upload the script is not here, so don't worry, it is already there. What you need to do is come to setting and you see this show hidden files. It will be unchecked, so all you need to do is check it and you click on save. It will bring out the .ht access. Then once you are done, we need to install the script. So I'll just go to my URL and type the name of the folder and then /install. You click /install, or we need to install the script. There are two ways in which you can install the script. It's either you can install it automatically like this, or you can install it by uploading the database and to your site. So once you are here, you click on agree and next step. So we need to give permissions to all this. We need to give permission to cache, storage app, framework, log. So and the permission number is 0755. So you go back to your cPanel, open your core, open the core folder. Once you open the core folder, remember we are giving permission to this bootstrap. Inside bootstrap there is cache, storage. Inside storage we have app, framework and logs. So we'll first of all open bootstrap. Inside the bootstrap, so the 70755 is the code. So you go back, you do for storage 0755, then you open the storage folder. We need to do for app 0755, framework 0755, then logs 0755. So if I come here and recheck, you will see that I have met the requirement. So it will give me an access to pass. Oh, I still haven't done that. Oh, sorry, 0775. So we need to give it 0775. Sorry, 0775, 0775, 0775. Then let's go back to our storage folder and do the same thing for storage. Storage 0775. Then bootstrap, we have cache 0775. So let's go back and refresh and recheck. Yes, the requirement is passed. So we click on next. Now the next thing here is for you to link your database. We need to create a database name, DB user, the host and the password. So all we just need to do is come to our cPanel here. Then you go scroll down to database. So I love using my database wizard. So I'll just come here and write Litehyip. So I'll use it as my database name and my database user. Litehyip. Then I'll auto-generate the password. I'll copy it. Then I'll come here and paste the password here. The host is always local. So once I'm done, I'll go back to this place and I'll click I have copied, use password. Then I'll copy my database name and the username. Come back here and put the database name. copy the database username. Then I'm done here. So you need to create your admin user. So I'll just click admin. Then you need to put your email. So I'll use support at this. Okay, let me just use this. Then I'll just click on install. So you make sure everything is correct, everything is in order. Then I'll click on install. Okay, my database is invalid, so I'll have to go back and check where I did a wrong thing there. I think it should be from my password, so let me go back. Oh, we didn't click on create user, so we need to create the user. We need to create the user. Then after creating user, I need to add all privilege and click on make changes. Okay, we are done. So let's go back and reinstall. All right, your system has been installed. So let's visit the site. All right, so I have activated the Litehyip script. So if you're having issue with yours, I think maybe you can use this version. If you need this very version, then you can reach out to me via our WhatsApp or email address below this video. All right, so let me just log into the admin dashboard and let's see how the admin works. Let's see how the admin works. You know, our admin username is admin and our admin password is admin also, because we created it while installing the script. So username is admin, then password is admin likewise. Then you click on login. So once your details are correct, it will take you to your admin panel. So the most important thing here, you need to do your cron job. Copy this cron job, because it is this cron job that makes your investment automatic and return the ROI, return of investment, automatic. So you need to copy this cron job. Go back to your C panel. Go back to your C panel and search for cron. Search for cron like this. Cron job. Search for cron. Then scroll down to this place and add your new. Make it per 5 minutes. Then add the command here. The URL you copied, just drop it here and click on add new cron job, and it will automatically configure your return of investment. So this is how the admin section look like. This is the admin section. So this is where you manage your user, your payment gateway. If it is automatic or manual payment gateway, you can create it from there. Your deposit is where you see deposit request and the rest. Your withdrawal request. If someone send a support ticket, this is where you see it. And okay, let's see. There are no active users. There are no active users here. So, but if you have any users, this is where they will appear. This is where all your users will appear. You understand? Then for you to be receiving email, or for your users to be receiving emails, you need to do what? You need to set your email configuration. You need to set your email configuration. So to do that, you can go to system configuration here, and you can set your email configuration. But first of all, you need to create your mail. So from here, you can enable user registration, XXL, agree terms and condition, a pop-up if you want it. Then if you want to enable KYC, you can put it, you can enable or you can disable here. If you want email verification, you can enable, or if not, you can disable. Email notification is important, so you can enable it here. So this way you set your everything concerning the website. So it is a unique script. Now, if you are having challenges, if you are having problem in installing the script, or you are getting 500 error server or server 500 error, then you should check if you have your .ht access, or check the version. Check the version of your site. Check the version of your site, or check the version of the script. This version is the latest version. So if you don't have this version, then you can come and come to our DM. So this latest version is bug free. It is bug free. There is no bug. There is nothing there. There is no bug, like I say. It is bug free. So we've worked on it and we've cleared anything concerning bug on it. So you can just come to our DM via our WhatsApp or via our email and make requests for this script.